Typically, the fuller the fringe, the wider the sections and the higher you want to take your sections. In this particular tutorial, I'll be taking a section right from the top of the round of the head to the outside of the arch of the eyebrow. First tutorial of a classic fringe will be done with a feather razor. Comb the hair directly forward, gently combine it, making sure that the grains of the hair staying clean without any overlappage. And once you're set, you're going to create skimming technique, which means place the razor a couple of inches above your fingers and gently start from the starting point all the way down to your fingers. Bevel the razor from the middle to the outside, back to the middle, right to the opposite side. Cross-check for balance and clean up the outline. And this is how I would achieve similar look by using my scissors. Comb directly forward, again combined it. We're going to chip into the ends of the hair using the ends of the scissor. Rest the scissor on your ring finger for stability. Go back and forth until you are happy with the line. And to add a little bit of texture to your fringe, you can take a vertical section and point cut into the ends. Separate your fringe in the middle and subsection with a diagonal back section. Comb the hair directly forward and using an open stroke with your feather blade, create a short to long cutting line. This is a great way to remove weight from the section. Be careful not to remove too much if your client has wavy or curly hair. We call this surface grazing. Place the blade flat against the hair, move the blade up and down, and remove weight from the top portion of the section. To create a similar effect using your scissors, we're going to follow the same sectioning. Comb the hair directly forward, prep your fingers to cut a line that's going to go from short to long, and then deep point cut into the ends of the hair. The deeper you go, the more texture you're going to create. To create lots of texture on the ends, I'm going to twist individual sections and then using my scissor, slide on the last couple of inches. Always keep in mind that you want to twist away from the length, which means if you want the outside to be longer, you want to twist towards the center. To create a similar look using a feather razor, I'm still going to twist my sections. I'm going to be very mindful with how much twisting I'm going to create. Place the blade on top of the hair and move up and down gently until you remove the length. Switch your scissor positioning as follows. This will help you be able to slide down the hair and remove the weight and the length where is needed. Open and close the scissor, but not all the way. Another way to remove weight and length is to hold a section of hair and using your blade flat against the hair, open and close as you gently sliding down the hair. Continue until you are happy with the end result. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please check out all of the other tutorials that we have available on our YouTube channel, Cutting, Color, and Styling.